Why does your scanner show the P2715 engine code? What does it mean? P2715 is a diagnostic trouble code for Pressure Control Solenoid D stuck on. This engine code indicates that the problem with a transmission component that regulates hydraulic pressure for shifting. This malfunction can cause shifting issues and potentially trigger limp mode. Under this circumstance, stop driving and repair your vehicle immediately. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle. Solenoid issues, transmission fluid problems, blocked or faulty filter, wiring and connector damage, internal transmission problems. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error code occurs in any OBD2-equipped vehicles, especially those in manufacture since 1996. It is commonly found in Toyota, Ford, Volkswagen, and Chevrolet models. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.